What exactly is Dharma practice? Is it simply spending hours on the cushion meditating or reciting mantras? Or perhaps retreating to seclusion? I'm super busy balancing work, school, family care, and time with friends.
There are many different forms of practicing Dharma, and Dharma has many different ways like recitation, meditation, offerings, prostration, circumambulation, studying, contemplation, meditation, etc. There are many, many different forms of practicing, but all of this is also to tame our mind. The Dharma word Dharma, Sanskrit word Dharma, has many meanings. When you use at different terms of the different occasions, that it is the different meanings. But I think the word generally it means as sort of like to change our mind, the impure mind, or the mind that is the wild mind that is so involved with the defilements, to change it to the right path. So every practice that we do, if it doesn't change, although of course even just doing it, even imitating the practice also has benefit. I do not mean to say that these practices do not benefit. Of course, even imitation also has the benefit. But if it doesn't change your mind, then it is not so effective. In order to Dharma practice in effect, we must see whether the practice we are doing, whether it really changes, it makes a difference in your mind or not. And so therefore, if it changes, so it depends on how we use. If we use it right way, one could be the busiest person in the busiest city, but still could be a very good Dharma practitioner, because everything we see, everything we do, every one that we associate gives us a chance to practice Dharma. I mean, for example, when you are traveling in the big cities, you see many changes. And so that is the impermanent that we are seeing every day. In the big cities like this, that you see so much suffering. Again, we are experiencing the Dharma. The Buddha tells us that everything is suffering, that we actually see it. Not only we study, we learn from the teaching, but from our own naked eyes that we can see so much suffering. So from this also you learn. And when you are associating with the people, it has a chance to help people, to practice compassion. When people disturbs you, and creates when people are angry with you, or when people disturbs your mind, gives us a chance to practice patience, and so forth and so on, that we could utilize the everyday life that we have, especially in the cities. Then everywhere, when you are traveling, when you are at work, when you are in home, wherever you are, you could use that time in practicing the Dharma. And from all this experience, the different types of experience will help us to understand deeper, and also will help us to understand how important to practice Dharma.